Hi, this is Dr. Sumaya, a pediatric dental surgeon and a senior lecturer in Satyabama Dental College and Hospital, Chennai. In this video, I am going to talk about the teething process in babies. Normally, or rather ideally, the first tooth of a child comes out at 6 to 10 months of age and all the teeth come out by 3 years of age. So here we are talking about only the milk teeth or the baby teeth. A child has 20 milk teeth in total, 10 in the upper jaw and 10 in the lower jaw. So let's see what are the types of teeth in a child. Those are the milk teeth. The first two teeth are the central incisors. The second tooth on either side are the lateral incisors. The third tooth are the canines. The fourth tooth are the first molars. And the last tooth, that is the fifth tooth, is the second molars. The same type of teeth are present in the lower jaw as well and have the same names. So let's see when each of these teeth are going to come out. Starting from 6 to 12 months of age, the lower central incisors and the upper central incisors tend to be seen, followed by the lateral incisors. The second tooth on either side in the upper and lower jaw are seen between 9 to 13 months of age, followed by the first molars, which are seen between 13 to 18 months of age, followed by the canines, which are seen between 16 to 23 months of age. Finally, the fifth tooth, which are seen between 23 to 33 months of age. So by 3 years, all the 20 teeth should be visible in the oral cavity. So the sequence in which these teeth come out are central incisors, lateral incisors, the first molar, canines, and the second molar. So in short, it is the CL, M1, C and M2. Now what are the problems a baby is going to face during this teething process? It could be excessive irritability, drooling more than usual, crying, biting on every object the baby notices, waking more often in the night than their normal routine, refusal to eat, rashes, fever, etc. It's a physiological change, isn't it? So it's okay for your baby to feel all of these symptoms during this teething process. So the first thing you need to do is stay calm and don't rush the child immediately to a dentist. Start with massaging the gums of your babies using clean fingers. Imagine this to be your baby's mouth. Of course, the teeth are present, but they're going to be just gum pads initially. So start by massaging the gums with clean fingers often during the day and night. You need to just press on those gum pads so that it eases out the pain when the tooth is coming out through the gums. So gently massage all sides. The next thing you can do is use a teething object. It could be rings, it could be beads. So you can buy some of these teething objects, sterilize it, keep it clean, and then give it to the child. And whenever the child has an urge of biting on any object, the child could bite on those teething objects. You can also refrigerate these teething objects so that when you give the child a cooler object, it helps in soothing the gums and eases the pain a little bit. So another option is when few teeth, about 3 to 4 teeth are present in the mouth, that time you can also give the child refrigerated carrots or cucumbers cut into very small pieces, so that when they chew or bite on the cucumber or the carrots, that could again help in easing out the eruption pain. So what you shouldn't do during this teething process is application of clove oil or application of honey on the gum pads or the teeth which have come out. So I would personally not advise these two things. Many people would, but I would not advise. So kindly stick to massaging of gum pads, using of teething objects, and refrigerated food substances such as carrots or cucumbers or an apple even, that can help in soothing the gums as well as easing the pain during teething. Now, when do you have to visit the dentist? Any time between 6 months to 1 year of age, as soon as the first tooth is seen in the mouth, and between the first birthday, you have to visit a dentist just to see the progress of the teething process. To keep a track of this teething process, you can have a chart like this and note down the exact time at which the tooth has come out. The month can be noted, and as soon as the first tooth erupts, you need to start using a finger brush. Start with a finger brush until 3 or 4 teeth are present in the mouth, then move on to a baby toothbrush when more than 5 teeth have come out. So this finger toothbrush is necessary for you to clean every surface of the tooth. Do not wait for all the teeth to come out and then start brushing. Immediately, as soon as the first tooth comes out, you need to start brushing the tooth. If you want me to discuss anything else about teething, or if you have any queries regarding teething, please do comment below. Share, like and subscribe for further videos. See ya.